Saturday, March 31st, and we're finally fixing our countertops.
It smells like science class when you're dissecting a frog.
Ew.
Smell it.
Ew. Ew, that's exactly what it smells
No.
like. It takes me back to that day. Okay, so we...
Exactly like dissecting frogs.
Yeah, it smells like dead frog.
Oh, watch out.
Can you see it? I think we're only gonna use 2 sheets. You think we'll use all 3? So our plan is to just remove that part because it's just a piece of plywood that is screwed in, and then we're gonna flip this over, trace it right, and then cut it, apply the glue to the plywood and then to this, wait 20 minutes and stick it on. Baby girl knows how to open doors already. Hey, wait. We need your shoes. Today is April 4th. Wednesday, April 4th. And I wasn't gonna vlog today. But we had to come into town, so I told him, I was like, let's just vlog today because I haven't all week. And we've made slight changes in the kitchen that I haven't showed you guys. But we have to go into town because I have to go buy some feminine products. Funny story, everyone thought I was pregnant because baby was being a brat. But I got my period and I saw that she's getting another tooth, like another tooth just ripped through her gum. And as she's older, like it hurts her more, so she acts like she acts out or whatever. And yeah, we're just gonna bring you guys along today. Oh, and it's also really cold today. It's in the 60s, and yesterday it was like in the 90s. So I'll be right back. is about to die. And I haven't picked up the camera at all today. But I just made lunch. I made the same thing I'd made last week. Oh, and I'm running out of water. Wowza. Oh shit, I ran out of water. Hold on. So, I made this for lunch again. I think I made it like last week. I think I showed you guys last week in the vlog how I made this. But I just made it again because that dude didn't get to eat any last time I made it, so he wanted it today, so that's what I did. But look at what I have. They're on. Yesterday Bert did put this, but we have to paint it white, and then we're gonna paint this, the bricks. And he already put this thing here on the side. We have this one and that one, so I just need to paint those. And then right now he's working on these to put right here, but he's gonna do that after we finish eating. But yeah, that's the way it looks. Yeah. And I love it. And he needs to put this one here. But that's like the only side piece that he needs. I'm gonna plug in my phone. I'm also washing clothes. I'm going to vacuum also in a second. I'm trying to clean, but look at this girl getting a hold of the iPad like it's hers. What do you have? It's already 10 though, by the way, and we're still watching Nailed It on Netflix. But I'm picking up. Bert was able to finish the this piece right here. So my countertops are officially done. The only thing that's left to do again is paint this, add the gray and the white to the brick, or should I leave it white? What do you guys think? And then cover this. We weren't able to do that because it's hard, and then like the fan from the bottom like doesn't suck in any of the stuff, so I don't know if that's the way it is or if we need to have that fixed. I don't know, but I don't know. And then we also need to put the handles and stuff that are here, but Bert's friend barely dropped off the drill bits. Bert starts work again tomorrow, so he didn't have time to do that. These are the knobs that are gonna go on like the doors, so we're gonna have these here, and then on the drawers we bought these, so it's gonna look like this, something like that for the handles, and then the knobs on the doors. So I don't know if I'm gonna ask my cousin to do that for me, or if I'll just wait until Bert has time again. But I didn't really vlog much today just because I was getting like everything ready for Bert's work week again, and there's a dirty cup up there and I hate it. Like I said, it's almost 10 o'clock at night already, so I'm gonna wash dishes tomorrow because I don't want to do that right now. You want to say hi? Hi. Oh, besito. You're gonna vlog? Yeah? Yeah. Believe it like this. Yeah, like that. Say hi. Say hi. She's vlogging. Look at her go.
Are you vlogging, mommy?
No.
Are you? You got something. There you go.
What are you saying? Tell them what you did today. Here. Oh, I was gonna tell you I was able to clean my kitchen table today, so you can finally see that. Is there a SIM card in there?
Yeah.
I don't know if I should start using the camera again, or if I should just keep vlogging on my phone, because if you didn't know, I do vlog on my phone. Yeah. I feel like ever since I discovered that I could do it all on my phone, like I just stopped using the cameras. I don't know if I should do that. Should I use the camera again? Or should I? Because I feel like the phone is much more convenient for me. Because like I have iMovie on here, and when I vlog on the cameras, I have to upload it to my computer. And then I edit off of Final Cut on my computer. But I feel like it's, well, maybe not now that she's older. Like I'll have much more time once she falls asleep. I can edit at night, because that's when I do it anyways. At night is when I edit, so that I can upload right the next day. So I don't know, I guess I'll give it a try and I'll see what's easier. But still, let me know, like, because I know the camera quality is way, way, way better times 100 than like using my phone, but the phone still isn't that bad. So I have one more load in the washer, and then I think we're gonna go to bed already. And Bert wants this to be our vlogging camera.
No.
You're insane.
But it could work.
I think I'm gonna end like this 5-minute video and go to bed, end it. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I'll vlog more throughout the week. I don't know what, I honestly don't, because I don't know, like I have no plans whatsoever this weekend. Next weekend should be fun. But this week, I have absolutely nothing planned. The only thing I have to do in the kitchen is paint that gray, which I'll probably like do a time lapse or something and show you guys. But that's about it. Like, there's no more home projects, and I'm sort of sad. So, thank you guys so much for watching either way, and we will see you guys in the next one. Say bye, Mama. Say bye. Tell them bye.
Papa?
No, say bye. Tell them bye. You're waiting for Dad.
Dad.
Where's Daddy?
Daddy.
Where's Daddy?
Daddy.
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 Say Daddy. Say Daddy. Open the door. Open.
Side door.
Ooh, there he is. Alright, so we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.